The outlet tube transports air from the compressor pump to the check valve where it enters the tank. The aluminum tube can be damaged accidentally during transportation or if something falls on it. Over time, the tube might fatigue and crack from the vibration of the compressor. Replacing the outlet tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before I start any disassembly of the tank or the pump components, I'll want to go ahead and drain any air out of the tank that might still be in it. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the outlet tube from the pump and the check valve. Now I can install the new outlet tube. I've removed the fittings from the old outlet tube and now I'll reinstall them onto the new tube. If any of the fittings are damaged, you'll want to replace them. First, I'll slide the cylinder fitting over the outlet tube with the threads pointed out and install the O-ring. Next, I'll install the fitting for the check valve. Again, the threads should be out. Now reinstall the outlet tube. It goes around the cylinder and then connects to the cylinder and the check valve. I'll start by installing each fitting just loosely. And then once everything's in place, I can go ahead and tighten them up.